next video I'm going to show you a few more websites that will enable you to use social bookmarking. I'm going to actually be using a different website for this example just so you can see how this will work with other niches. So the next site to use for social bookmarking is going to be a site called mix.com. That is mixx.com, mix.com. And in this scenario, if you're using the Weebly method, you just submit your Weebly website, and I'm just submitting just a standard website that I have. So don't submit my website, but submit the website that you are trying to promote and get traffic to. So go ahead and go to Mix. If you're new here, just click on Sign Up. If not, go ahead and click on Login. And so go ahead and click on Login. And so I'm going to do that right now. And then just go over here and click on Login. And then once I've logged in, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Submit a Link to Mix. So go ahead and click on Submit a Link to Mix, and then where it says page URL, I'll just type in the URL of the site I am promoting. Now if you're just following along with this system, again, this would be like your Weebly URL, the Weebly URL that you have created. So this is a good title that I want to use. That works for a description. Keyword, I would just use the main keyword we're trying to rank for. So this is a niche keyword phrase, and this would probably be under interest, I would imagine. Interest and shopping or travel if they have it. Men tend to like this kind of stuff. Let's see, fun, scooters, or fun. So there we go. I selected two categories for it, and then I went ahead and I'm going over here and clicking on to type in the two words, and then click on Submit. And it says I have 15 minutes to change anything, so this is a good chance to go ahead and check, make sure that the link is working correctly, which it looks like it is. And once you know that the link is functioning correctly, you're going to go ahead and just close that out and then move on to the next website. So the next website that I want to show you is just reddit.com. So go right on over to reddit.com, and they have a very simple process. They're a very high traffic website, and so you're just going to go ahead and just log in with your Reddit account, and then to submit your link, simply go ahead and click on Submit a Link. And then where it says URL, you would go ahead and just type in your URL again, or copy and paste it in. And then the title would be your keyword or whatever you're trying to rank for, or whatever you think would be interesting. And then go ahead and click on Submit and add it to your saved sites as well. So I went ahead and just added it, and then I'm going to go ahead and just log out. And the next website that I want to show you is a site called socialmarker.com. socialmarker.com. Now this site lists a variety of websites that you could actually get links from. So what I would recommend doing is going to this website and signing up for as many of these websites as possible. Now you notice Propeller, Dig, and Delicious are right up there, and I would just sign up for as many of these websites as possible and follow their on-screen instructions and submit links to them. You can also partially automate the process by putting your title, the link, the description, and your tags directly in here, and then clicking on this submit button. And what it will do is it will help you pre-populate the particular forms on each one of those websites. And so this is a free tool you can use. You can get access to all of these different links, and so I highly recommend that you look at signing up for as many of these sites as possible, as it will really help drive traffic to your website. So that site is socialmarker.com. So this ends the short little series on social bookmarking. We're going to cover a few more marketing methods in the videos to follow. So we're starting to get traffic to our website that we just created, and this is all free traffic that you don't have to pay for.